Remember, the focus has been Bengal Sandesh Khale Village, and now a team of women leaders from the Bharatiya Janata Party set to depart for the village, and they will be accompanied by a group of women lawyers. This means that this could now be heading for legal fight as well. The move comes after some of these women who are survivors have very clearly, despite fear, they say, have come forth and have decided to name some of the members associated with the Trinamool Congress in their official account of harassment, abuse and much worse. But TMC leader Sheikh Shah Jahan, who's being seen as the main kingpin who has led this network of land grabbing, sexual harassment against women, has been mysteriously absconding for about 50 days now. In an exclusive interview to India Today, Bengal Governor C.V. Ananda Bose came down heavily on the Mamata Banerjee government and said TMC strongman Sheikh Shah Jahan must be arrested on priority. What about, and when asked about the advice for the Chief Minister and opposition leader, the governor stressed the need for action is more important than words.
वो लोग पॉलिटिक्स करना चाहता है, वो लोग पॉलिटिकल इशू, चीप पॉलिटिक्स, गिमिक वाला पॉलिटिक्स, और अभी उनका और शुभेंदु का बीच में ये पब्लिसिटी का कंपटीशन हो रहा है. तो शुभेंदु वहां पर गए थे तो उसको जाना चाहिए. इसके आगे सुकांत तो कुछ किया था तो शुभेंदु को करना चाहिए. तो उसका पार्टी का अंदर ये दोनों का कंपटीशन चल रहा है. अभी तो दिलीप घोष बाकी है.
ममता बनर्जी का जब चुनाव से पहले नारा था माँ माटी मानुस, ना आज माँ की चिंता हो रही है, ना माटी की, ना मानुस की. वहाँ पर महिलाएं लगातार कहती हैं कि हम जब भी पुलिस के पास जाती हैं तो हमको धमका दिया जाता है और हमको कुछ पैसे वैसे देकर मामले को रफा दफा करने की कोशिश करती है. परंतु सच ये है कि वहाँ पर महिलाओं के साथ दुष्कर्म किए जा रहे हैं और टारगेट कर धार्मिक तौर पर टारगेट कर उनके साथ दुष्कर्म किए जाते हैं.
So listen in now to the excerpt of what Bengal Governor C.V. Ananda Bose, in an exclusive interaction with India Today's consulting editor Rajdeep Sardesai, said specifically over Sandeshkhali and if with the demands coming in of a president's rule in the state.
Where does all this lead? I'm joined now by C.V. Ananda Bose. He is the West Bengal Governor, joins me for this special interview. Appreciate your joining us, Mr. Bose. My first question, rather direct. Do you believe, in your view, and you've gone to the ground in Sandeshkhali, do you believe that President's rule should be imposed there as statutory bodies like NCW, the Commission for Scheduled Castes, Scheduled Tribes are demanding, indeed opposition leaders are demanding? Is the situation in Sandeshkhali grave enough to demand President's rule, sir?
As Governor, I reserve my comments on that. I am observing, analyzing, understanding. I will certainly keep all the options open. Now what is important is to bring back normalcy to the place and give protection to the women there. That is my priority now.
Sir, but I must push you a bit more on that. You're saying here you're keeping all your options open. Is one of those options President's rule? Because you have sent a report to the Home Ministry. Can you give us a sense of what your report says is about? What is your view, sir, on those who are demanding President's rule in West Bengal?
My report to the Home Ministry, I would like to keep it confidential. That is how it should be. I have given certain suggestions there, based on constitutional proprieties and democratic proprieties. Now, my focus is to ensure that the law take its course. I have taken up my issues with proper suggestions, specific suggestions, with my constitutional colleague, the Chief Minister. Some action is now afoot. I should give some chance to see what is the fruit of the actions which are already now taking place. The officers have been deputed to look into the incidents in depth and take appropriate action. I'm watching.
So you're saying you're watching. You're saying you're speaking to the Chief Minister. But do you believe that the Chief Minister, Mamata Banerjee, has done enough? The Chief Minister claims her government has arrested 18 people, including 2 of the prime culprits. There's a fact-finding team on the ground, and all-women's police team has been deputed to Sandeshkhali. Do you believe the West Bengal government and Mamata Banerjee in particular has done enough on Sandeshkhali, or is it a blot on her record?
in all fairness, I should give a fair chance to the government to take action. But one thing I can specifically tell you, arrest of the prime accused, Shah Jahan Sheikh, is a must.